Hello everyone, this is the video regarding the course of Structural and Foundation Analysis provided by the Sky5 Labs. So in this problem we have 23-story rise building for which we will use the M40 concrete and steel 500 HYST for longitudinal rebars, and for ties we will use mile 250 grade. Columns will be taken of different sizes of 500 by 500 and up to 600 by 600. The beams will also be of different sizes. The slab thickness taken as 150 mm of M40 grade concrete. Our building is assumed to be situated in the Bangalore city, and the cladding load will be of 0.2 kN per meter. The dead load for the entire building is taken as 2 kN per meter square, and the live load differs for different stories. So first of all, we will create the new project, and the standards will be set to the Indians. Press OK. The number of grid lines will be taken as 4 in both directions. The spacing of grid will be 6 meter and stories will be 23. We will create the master stories throughout our building and put the other stories similar to our master story. The master story will be taken as story number 8, story number 14, story number 19 and story number 23. Press OK and choose the grid only option from structural objects. As you can see, the grid will be as per our convenience. Now we will define the materials for our building. So add new material, use the India region, and the standard will be taken as Indian concrete material of grade M40. Press OK. Similarly, we will create other materials for our rebars, that is HYSD steel 500 and mild 250 grade. Now we will define our sections. So add new property, take the rectangular concrete section. Material will be taken as M40 grade concrete. Change the dimensions and modify the reinforcement. Longitudinal bars will be of HYSD 500 and ties will be of mile 250. Similarly, we will copy this property and add other column sizes. We will make one auto select column and auto select beam, which will help to choose the economical section. Similarly, repeat the process for beams. After assigning the columns and beam, we will assign slab properties. The slab will be taken as 150 mm thick of M40 grade concrete. Press OK. Now select the similar stories and the property will be taken as auto select column. Use quick draw column option and draw the columns. Similarly, draw the beams by selecting auto select beam. Draw the slabs by taking quick draw slab option. Similarly, we will draw the columns, beams and slabs for the other floors. now we will define the landlord for the building, and it will be 2 km per meter square for the entire building. Select similar stories and assign the live load. The steps will be repeated for the other stories of the building. We will assign the cladding load of 0.2 kN per meter for the external beams of our building. As there is no cladding load on the top story of a building, so we will remove it. Now we will assign the constraints to our building, that is the fixed at the bottom of our building, and the select auto draw a cladding option to draw the claddings in our building. As you can see, the claddings are drawn. So now we will define the wind load. So a new load, that is the wind load, and the wind load is taken as per IS 875/1987. As our building is considered in the Bengaluru, so we will define the properties as per our conditions. So the wind speed is taken as 33 meter per second. Click OK. Now we will assign the wind load coefficients for the building. Select the face of the building. The coefficient will be taken as Indian standards. So go to assign wind load coefficient. The coefficient will be taken for the windward side as 0.8, and it differs for the other side, that is leeward side. Similarly, assign the coefficient for other sides of the building. As you can see, the coefficients are defined for every side of the building. Now we will analyze our structure. We can check the deformed shape and the deformation values for our building. We can also see the stress diagrams. Now we will design our building. First of all, we will check our parameters, and they should be as per Indian standards. Now start the design. So few members fail, we will press yes, and ETABS will select the members of higher size. Here the design of a building is complete, and you can check the reinforcement amount in 3D view. We can generate the project report. So here is our report for our building design. And one more thing I forgot is the verify all members passed. So we will check. As you can see, all concrete members are